standard costing. This is the standard costing. Only here three types of problems are there: material related problems, material variance problems, material variance problems. Next, labor variance problems and overhead variance problem. Three types of problems are coming for standard costing. So in the degree students, at least prepare this two. You are doing the problem compulsorily. In material variance and labor variance, these two are similar. If you know the material variance, easily getting the labor cost variances also. In material, you are following the 5 formulas. In 5 formulas, you are following the material cost variance. In first one, material cost variance. This is the material cost variance. In material cost variance, short wave MCV. MCV you treated. MCV means material cost variance. So difference of the cost, standard cost minus actual cost, material cost variance. In material cost variance formula, standard cost minus actual cost. In standard cost, how to get it? Standard cost, you are multiplying the standard quantity into standard price. Standard quantity into standard price. So standard quantity into standard price, you are getting the standard cost. Actual cost means actual quantity into actual price. You are getting the actual cost. So difference of standard cost minus actual cost. In formula way, standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. That is the material cost variance. Material cost variance. In next one, material price variance. In material price variance, in our short wave formula MPV. MPV is the material price variance. In material price variance formula, MPV equal to actual quantity bracket open standard price minus actual price. Standard price minus actual price. That is the material price variance. In material price variance means differences of the prices in standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. In the formula, actual quantity bracket open standard price minus actual price. Differences of standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. That is the material price variance. In next one, material usage variance. In material usage variance, short wave formula MUV. MUV is the material usage variance. In material usage variance, use is nothing but a quantity variance. In quantity of different variance, nothing but a difference of quantities. So standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. This is the formula. Standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. That is the material usage variance. Material usage variance, nothing but a differences of standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. In next one, material mix variance. In material mix variance, that is short way MMV. MMV is the material mix variance. In material mix means combined. So combined of standards and actuals. So here formula standard material mix variance equal to standard price. Standard price bracket open revised standard quantity. In revised standard quantity minus actual quantity. So one more time I will explain. Material mix variance equal to standard price, bracket open, revised standard quantity, minus actual quantity. And where revised standard quantity equal to actual mix, divided by standard mix, divided by standard mix into standard quantity. That is the formula. Revised standard quantity equal to actual mix divided by standard mix into standard quantity. And last one, material yield variance. Material yield variance formula. In material yield variance, in short way, you are using material yield. Material yield variance equal from short way MYV. MYV equal to standard cost per unit, bracket open, actual output minus revised standard output, minus revised standard output. That is the formula. MYV equal to material yield variance equal to standard cost per unit, bracket open, actual output minus revised standard output. So standard cost per unit, how to get it? Standard cost per unit, you are using the formula. In standard cost, total standard cost. So you are using this formula. You are using standard cost per unit equal to total standard cost divided by standard output. Total standard cost divided by standard output. How to get it? The total standard cost, standard quantity into standard price. So total standard cost divided by standard output. You are getting the cost per unit. In revised standard quantity, formula RSQ formula, actual mix divided by standard mix. Sorry, RSQ కాదు నాన్న, revised standard output, standard output equal to actual mix divided by standard mix into standard output. You are using revised standard output equal to actual mix divided by standard mix into standard output. This is the formula. Revised standard output formula. Revised standard output equal to actual mix divided by standard mix into standard price. This is the problem of material yield variance. Next, verifications also. Your problem is correct or not. You are verifying the problem. Verification. If your verification is correct, your problem is correct. If your verification is wrong, your problem also wrong. Verification equal to material cost variance. Material cost variance equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. This is the formula. Material mix variance. So this is the formula. Material cost variance equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. In next formula, material usage variance equal to material mix variance plus material yield variance. So these two are verifications. If your problem is correct or not, you are verifying these two formulas. Material cost variance equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. Material usage variance equal to material mix variance plus material yield variance. These are the 5 formulas in material variance related formulas. In material variance related total 5 formulas. First one is the material cost variance. Second one is the material price variance. Third one is the material usage variance. Fourth one is the material mix variance. Fifth one is the material yield variance. These are the formulas. And next I will explain one problem. In the examination example problem, if you read the listen this problem, easily getting that problems. So here you are calculated material mix variance, material yield material cost variance, material price variance, material usage variance, material mix variance. You are calculating 4 bits. So here you are calculating 4 bits. First bit is the material cost variance. Second bit is the material price variance. Third bit is the material usage variance. Fourth bit is the material mix variance. You are calculating these 4 bits. In A related information is given, B related information is given. So A standard quantity is given, standard price is given, actual quantity is given, actual price is given. Same like that B also. B standard quantity is given, standard price is given, actual quantity is given, actual price is given. So now you are substituting in the formula. In first one is the material cost variance. In material cost variance, you are applying the formula. Material cost variance equal to, you know the formula, standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. You are substituting the one by one. So material, you know the material cost variance. In material cost variance formula, standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. Here first I am calculating the A related standard quantity you are substituted, as standard price you are substituted. A related actual quantity you are substituted, actual price you are substituted. In standard quantity 25 into standard price 5 minus actual quantity. In actual quantity A 24 is given, in 24 into 6. So now you are getting the A values. A related 25 into 5 125 minus 24 into 6. 24 into 6 you are getting the 144. Now you are getting the value 25 125 minus 144. So 144 you are getting the negative value. Negative value how much amount? You are negative 19 you are getting. If you are getting the negative value, you are mentioning the A only, adverse. In same like that B also. B equal to, B standard quantity 30 into standard price 7 minus 28 into 6. That is the B related information. So 210 minus 2, 30 into 7. 30 into 7 you are getting the 210 minus 28 into 6. Now you are getting the 168. In 210 minus 168. 210 minus 168 you are getting the 42. This is the 42 is the positive value. Positive value you mentioning the F. F is the positive. If your A is the negative value, this is the A related answer. This is the B related answer. B is the 42. A is the 19. 19 is the negative value. F is the positive value. Next line, total material cost variance equal to, total means you are adding A and B. A is the 19A plus 42F. So B answer, how much amount you are getting the B answer? 42F you are getting. 42F. So final value, you are getting how much amount? Or a negative or you are getting the positive value? Positive value you are getting. 42 is the positive value. Negative value is the 19. Which is the more? Positive is the more. That's why you are getting the positive value. So 42 minus 19, you are getting the 23. 23 is the positive value. That is the F value. F is the positive. So material cost variance completed. In second one, material price variance. In material price variance, you know the formula. So actual quantity, bracket open, standard price minus actual price. Standard price minus actual price. You are substituting the one by one. So first you are substituting A value. After that you are substituting the B value. In A actual quantity. So A actual quantity, how much amount is given? 24. 24 is the actual quantity. 24 bracket open, standard price minus actual price. Standard price is the 5, actual price is the 6. 5 minus 6. This 5 minus 6 you are substituted here. So next you are getting the value 24 bracket open, 5 minus 6 minus 1 value you are getting. That is the negative value you are getting. So now A value 24 is the adverse value. A is the adverse. Adverse means negative value you are getting. In same like that B also. In B equal to actual quantity. In actual quantity B how much amount? 28 is the actual quantity. So here 28 you are substituted minus standard price minus actual price. In standard price how much amount? 7. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 you are substituted. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 28 bracket open, 7 minus 6 means 1. 1 is the positive value. So now you are getting the value 28 into 1, 28. That is the positive value. Positive means you are mentioning the F value. Now you are getting the total. Total material price variance. In total material price variance equal to A value how much amount? 24 A plus B value 28 F. Which is the more? F is the more. So 28 minus 24, you are getting the 4F. 4F. F is the favorable. That is the answer. Answer of material price variance. Material price variance also completed. I will explain one more. Material usage variance. In third one, material usage variance. In material usage variance formula, standard price bracket open, standard quantity minus actual quantity. This is the formula. So first you are calculating the A standard price. A standard price you are substituted. A standard price is given in the problem. A standard price how much amount? 5 rupees. 5 is the standard price. 5 bracket open, standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard quantity minus actual quantity. In the A standard quantity how much amount? 25. 25 is the standard quantity, 24 is the actual quantity. So standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard quantity 25 minus 24. Now 5 bracket open, 25 minus 24, you are getting the 1. 1 is the positive value you are getting. So 5 it is a positive. That's why you mentioning the F. Next same like that B also. B equal to standard price. B standard price how much amount is given in the problem? B standard price 7. 7 bracket open, 7 bracket open, standard quantity minus actual quantity. The standard quantity is given in the problem. Standard quantity is 30, actual quantity 28. So 30 minus 28. 30 minus 28, that is the difference value. So now that value 7 bracket open 30 minus 2, you are getting the 2, that is the positive value you are getting in 2 into 4, 7, 14. 14 is the positive value, that is the F value. In total means total material usage variance equal to A value 5F, next B 14F. So both are F values. Now you are adding the values 19F. This 19F is the material usage variance. Material price variance how much amount? 4F. In material mix cost variance how much amount? 23F you are getting. Now you are verifying the problem. Verification. In verification formula, material cost variance equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. In material cost variance, how much amount you are getting? 23F. 23F you are substituted. So 23F is the material cost variance. In price variance, how much amount you are getting? 4F you are getting. 4F is the price variance. 4F. That is also positive. Material usage variance 19F. So next line 23F equal to 4F plus 19F. You are getting the 23F. So both are tally. So this problem is correct. If you tally, your problem verification is correct. You are verifying the any problem compulsorily verified. If your verification is correct, your problem is correct. This is the only problem formulas and one problem I will explain. So next continuation, one more problem. I'll do the next video. Thank you listening.